The Galaxy S23 cell phones made at Samsung's Noida factory will be sold in India. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 are the three smartphones that Samsung has unveiled in its prestigious Galaxy S23 series. The Galaxy S23 series 3 smartphones each include a fresh design, better protection and durability and better imaging capabilities. The smartphone trade off the Galaxy S22 series contour-cut camera housing around the lenses for a simple, linear design. 4 colors, Phantom Black, Cream, Green and Lavender are available in every model in the series. The devices are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Regarding features, these are the first Galaxy S series phones that allow 360-degree audio recording when used with Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. A new Expert RAW app is available for smartphones with cameras that can shoot in 50-megapixel mode. In addition, a brand new astrophoto function enables users to take pictures of faraway stars and galaxies without the need for specialized gear. The Galaxy S23 series photographic experience has been enhanced by the addition of multiple exposure mode. The smartphones run the One UI 5.1 user interface and are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy CPU. New features include the integration of Samsung Notes in Google Meet. The Galaxy S23 series also improves screens in addition to the aforementioned. All 3 model screens are compatible with Advanced Vision Booster, which enables automated changes for contrast and color enhancements at 3 distinct levels of ambient illumination through the day. Additionally, a feature called Enhanced Comfort modifies the screen's color and contrast settings to make it easier on the eyes.
Let the world hear about your brand through Channel IAM.